Hey, A-OK Knives. Zipline here. 2 more knives just came in. It's Saturday. UPS guy felt the package. Knocked on the door. I heard a little voice. Mr. Zipline, your package is here, sir. I believe it's a knife. You told me to knock on the door. If it's a knife, come on in, boy. He's older than me, and I call him boy. He doesn't like it. Yeah. Okay, guys. Right Edge, the Miner. 3.5 inch blade. 420 carbon steel, stainless. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now. This knife feels quality. Really, really good fit and finish along the spine of this. The backbone of that. This is a slip joint nail nick. Now, I don't have but one up there, maybe. 2. Yeah. That's a classy little nail nick. I feel like I have something in my teeth. Guys. Got joint there. Good night. Right there. Right there. So there's no lock. It's just got that slip joint. Little joint right there where it takes a rest. And then up and in. Yeah, it's got a wood handle. It's got the brass along the back with the steel of the blade. Guys, this is a really nice little nail nick here, man. You know, of course the steel isn't the best, 420. But I like it. All right, let's use this to open up the second package. Okay, so this is an Opinel. I think I just like maybe ordered a new Opinel collar lock or something. That's why, I mean, they're cheap knives, cheap priced. Now that's not slicey. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's so cute. Are you kidding me? This must be like an Opinel number 1. Look at this little puppy. Oh my God. Guys, can we get size reference? Jeez, oh whiz. You got to be kidding me. Oh my God. Let's see if how the collar works. I don't think it locks. This little collar is supposed to turn on the blade. I'm gonna cut myself. Yeah, it's not. They must not do that with this little tiny doggy. God, I can't even read. Oh my gosh. I'm drilling a hole. Right. See where the blade goes like this? So I'm going to drill a hole right here. And I'm putting it on my keychain. No doubt. Why it doesn't have a little keychain thing here, I don't know. Opinel. Everybody's all high on your wagon. And this is what you do? But man, is it a cute little thingamadoo. I don't know what that was. Thingamadoo. What the hell was that? I'm losing my mind. Thingamadoo. Yeah, this thing is like a Lord of the Rings. This is Lord of the Rings stuff, guys. Lord of the Rings. And this would be like a sword for one of those little dudes. You know, the little dudes on Lord of the Rings. This is his folding sword. And look at it. I'm a troll. I look like a troll. Big, ugly troll. Yeah. Not proud of that. Yeah, so I'm a big, ugly troll. And one of those little Lord of the Ring dudes are going to fight me with this. You're going to slice me up with this little sword. Got all these cuts around my kneecaps. Because I just fought Dumbledore. Whatever. Dumbledore. The little... Dumbledore? I don't know. Little troll? No, I'm the big troll. Because I think trolls are big. And he's this little elf. Dwarf elf thing. That's his sword. Look. That's his sword. And he just carved up my kneecaps. I don't even think he could reach my kneecaps with this. So he carved up my shins. So I got all these little paper cuts on my shin. Yep. Okay, I've gone way too far with this Lord of the Rings Dumbledore thing. I don't even think Dumbledore's Lord of the Rings. There. Okay, take a peek over my shoulder. Yeah. If I could zoom this in, I can't. You're gonna see a little Glock 19. It's a Glock BB gun. Getting ready to do that review soon. I'm gonna take it out of the package. I'm gonna get it all with the air thing in it and ting 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 for all you guys out there to see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looking good. Get my part. All right. Hey, it's almost the last knives. I got one coming tomorrow. Let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 4 more coming. 4 more knives coming. Woo-wee. Wah. Okay, you're going to see a little jiu-jitsu. You ready for this? All right, jiu-jitsu. Okay, knife guard in the jiu-jitsu right there. In my A-OK t-shirt. Hey, zip line's out. I'm going to go check this little BB gun out. Get it set up. Going to do a video. We're going to have some fun with that sucker. Deuces.